Hey guys, me here, and
Hello,
today I'm here with a
Happy
video.
Dancing Cupcake and Skylight 1, 2, 3,
9:30. 1, 2, 3, 9:30. Yeah. Sorry, this thing is just like she's on Hangout, so it's sort of laggy. Yeah.
There's something on my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, we're having a party at Elden's Den, or Happy Dancing Cupcake's Den. So yeah. You could feel free if you want to come, because we're gonna have it for like about 5 minutes after we post this video. So yeah. Anyways,
I'm gonna decorate it.
yeah, she's decorating her room right now. Her den, not room. Just got that idea from my niece Shelly Bell. Why do I have the lost monkey on me? Sorry. So yeah, we're making people go to her den, but some people are thinking she's me because of me saying it, but it's actually her, Alton. So yeah. Wrong word. We're going to be having a sleepover. Yay. So we're going to be recording lots and lots of videos tonight. Tonight is called video night. Gaming night. That
Okay,
makes...
I don't think they realize that it's at my den, not yours. So I'm just going to go in Jama and tell everybody.
Yeah, can you do that?
My den.
People are buddying me because my den is locked and they think...
Oh my gosh, I just randomly went to Jama and then,
You're in the same place as me.
You were in...
I'm just gonna still say it because they'll know it's you. Because if they might accidentally click on you.
Party at my den.
Party at Happy Dancing Cupcakes Den. We are recording. This is gonna be epic. No, people. Okay, no, I'm going to your den to make sure people don't think I'm you. Or, yeah, you could say that. Alrighty, this is gonna be nice. No, who's trading me? I do not accept trades. Well, I mostly don't anyway, so I'm just gonna take off my trade list. Sounds like trade list. I meant trade list, okay? So if you do not understand my voice, then just don't worry. No person. It's unfair. And especially because you're interrupting my video. Okay, I'm starting to sound a little weird.
Like, come to my den. I only have 5 people at my den.
I'm not one of them, so I'm just like
6 people.
Ooh, 6 people. No! Why don't you understand, person? I do not accept unfair trades.
Oh my god, this person keeps asking me to be my buddy.
And this person keeps on treating me. Wait, who is that person? What's her username? What's her username?
My username?
No, the person who's buddying you. The person who's buddying you.
Oh, I don't know. I'm forgetting.
Because there was earlier today there was somebody who kept on buddying me.
I gotta pack up.
Alright, why don't you pack up and I'll meet you later.
Okay. But you don't have to end it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to your den, Alden.
Okay. Need it back.
Welcome to the party. I am Starlight Cupcake. AJ, if you wanna know me, it's on you too. I'm gonna keep on saying that. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. I am Starlight Cupcake AJ, if you wanna know me. On YouTube. Welcome to the party. Wait, I'm gonna say that in one full sentence because it's hard to do that.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I'm just greeting people by saying welcome to the party. If I'm Starlight Cupcake AJ, if you wanna know me on YouTube.
They gifted me. People are gifting me.
Earth is such a dream.
They think
welcome to the party.
They think I'm like doing attempts and stuff.
Okay, I'm just gonna end this video now because it's starting to get really long. I'll make a part 2 for you guys, so keep on enjoying. Yay!
Jam on!
Jam on, yeah!